Dear children, today we are going to learn exercise 2.2, question number 13. Evaluate the following. Question number A, 24 by 5 raised to minus 4 divided by 12 by 15 raised to 6 into 6 by 4 raised to 5. Question number B, 6 square divided by 2 square divided by 3 square raised to minus 2. Question number C, 4 raised to minus 3 into 6 raised to minus 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 3, the whole raised to minus 1. First I am going to solve question number A. There is a mistake in question number A. You have to correct it in the textbook as well as in the notebook. 24 by 5 raised to minus 4 divided by, it is not 12 by 15. Question you have to correct it. 15 divided by 12 raised to 6 into 6 by 4 raised to 5. So in the question you have to correct this one. It is 15 divided by 12. 15 divided by 12. 15 divided by 12 raised to 6. In the textbook it is given there 12 by 15, but it is mistake. You have to correct it. 15 divided by 12. So now that is equal to 24 divided by 5 raised to minus 4. Exponent is a negative integer, so we have to convert it into positive integer by using the formula p by q raised to minus m is equal to q by p raised to m. Q by p raised to m. P by q raised to minus m is equal to q by p raised to m. So 24 divided by 5 raised to minus 4. What will come answer? 5 divided by 24 raised to minus 4. It will become plus 4. P by q raised to minus m is equal to q by p. 5 divided by 24 raised to plus m means it will come plus 4 divided by 15 divided by 12 raised to 6 into 6 divided by 4 raised to 5. Then that is equal to. Now first we have to solve this division according to our rule, that is BODMAS rule. Now we have studied earlier BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first we have to do division, after that only multiplication. So this division we have to do first. How can we divide two rational numbers? These are 5 by 24 and 15 by 12 are rational numbers. Rational numbers, how to divide rational numbers also we have studied earlier. A by B divided by C by D. If A by B and C by D are two rational numbers, then when we are dividing, we cannot divide it direct, we will multiply only, that is A by B into the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of C by D. What is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of C by D? It is D divided by C. So A by B divided by C by D is equal to, what will come answer? A by B, this divide by sign will become into, and the reciprocal of the second rational number, that is D divided by C. Then what will come answer here? 5 divided by 24 raised to 4 into reciprocal of this second rational number. What is the reciprocal of 15 by 12? It will become 12 divided by 15 raised to 6 into last one as it is we will write, that is 6 divided by 4 raised to 5. Now multiply this, that is equal to 5 divided by 24 raised to 4. 5 divided by 24 is multiplying 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 5 divided by 24 into 12 divided by 15 raised to 6. 12 divided by 15 is multiplying 6 times. 12 divided by 15 into 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 12 divided by 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 6 times into 6 by 4 raised to 5 multiplying 5 times. 6 by 4 into 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 6 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now we can cancel this one. First we will cancel this one. 5 divided by 15. 5 3s are 15. 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 Now again, 12 divided by 24. 12 2s are 24. 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 Again we can divide this. 12 divided by 2. What is answer? 6. 12 divided by 2, it will come 6. 12 divided by 2, it will come 6. 12 divided by 6 divided by 2, it will come 6 divided by 2, it will come 3. Okay, here also it will come 3. 6 divided by 2, it will come 3. Now we can cancel this one. 6 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 we can cancel. 3 we can cancel. Again nothing is here. Here all we have cancelled. Again right side it is there. That is 2 divided by 4, it will come 2. 2 divided by 4, it will come 2. 6 divided by 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 6 divided by 2, 3. 4 divided by 2, 2. 6 divided by 4, it will come 3 by 2. Now again we can cancel this one. 3 divided by 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 divided by 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay, now you see all we have cancelled. What is remaining there? Numerator here all we have cancelled. This one all we have cancelled. Again last one 3 is there without cancelling. So what will come answer? That is equal to 3 only there in the numerator. Denominator what is there? Here all we have cancelled. Remaining it is here. 5 5s are 25 into here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 5 divided by 3 divided by 25 into 32. That is equal to 3 divided by 25 into 32. Multiply that. 25 into 32. 5 2s are 10 0 remainder 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 3 5s are 15 5 remainder 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. That is equal to 0 5 plus 5 10 0 remainder 1 7 plus 1 8. 3 divided by 800. That is the answer. Okay, now question number B. Question number B. 6 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to minus 2. That is equal to, first we will solve inside the bracket. 6 raised to 2, that is 6 is multiplying 2 times. 6 6 are 36 divided by 2 raised to 2, 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 raised to 2, 3 3s are 9. The whole raised to minus 2. Then that is equal to 36 divided by 4. What is answer? 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. 9 4s are 36. Again divided by 9 is there. The whole raised to minus 2. That is equal to 9 divided by 9. That is equal to 1. 1 raised to minus 2. 1 raised to minus 2. What is the answer? 1 raised to minus 2. You can use the formula a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So 1 raised to minus 2 is equal to, it will come 1 divided by 1 raised to 2. That is equal to 1 divided by 1 raised to 2 is equal to 1 divided by 1 raised to 2. 1 is multiplying 2 times. 1 into 1. What is answer? 1. 1 divided by 1. What is answer? 1. So 6 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 2. The whole raised to minus 2 is equal to, what is answer? 1. Now question number C. Question number C. 4 raised to minus 3 into 6 raised to minus 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 3. The whole raised to minus 1. Here we can use the formula a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to positive m. 4 raised to minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by 4 raised to 3 into 6 raised to minus 3. 1 divided by 6 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 3. 1 divided by 2 raised to 3 the whole raised to minus 1. That is equal to 1 divided by 4 raised to 3. 4 is multiplied 3 times. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64 into 1 divided by 6 raised to 3. 1 divided by 6 raised to 3. 6 is multiplying 3 times. 6 6 are 36 into 6 6 are 36. 6 remainder 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. 216. 1 divided by 216 divided by 1 divided by 2 raised to 3. 2 is multiplying 3 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. The whole raised to minus 1. That is equal to, now here also first we have to solve this division, that is 1 divided by 64 into 1 divided by 216 into, when we are dividing two rational numbers we have to multiply the reciprocal of the second rational number, that is, what is the reciprocal of the second rational number? 8 divided by 1 raised to minus 1. Now 8 divided by 64 we can cancel. 8 8s are 64. 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 divided by 8 into 216 into 1, that is 8 into 216 only. 216 into 8. 6 8s are 48. 8 remainder 4. 8 1s are 8 plus 4. 12 2 remainder 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17, that is 1728. 1728 raised to power is here. What is the power? Minus 1. Then here we will use the formula P by Q raised to minus M is equal to, what is the formula? Q by P raised to positive M. P by Q raised to minus M is equal to Q by P raised to M, that is equal to Q by P. What will come answer? 1728 divided by 1 raised to positive 1, that is equal to 1728 divided by 1 is equal to, what is answer? 1728 raised to 1. 1728 raised to 1 means it will come 1728. So 4 raised to minus 3 into 6 raised to minus 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 3, the whole raised to minus 1 is equal to, what is answer? 1728. Question number 14. Verify the law of exponents. X raised to m divided by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n for x is equal to minus 3 by 4, m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 3. First we will write that law once more. X raised to m divided by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n. We have studied these laws of exponents. We have studied like that. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. In place of a it came here x, that much only. And x m n value it is given there. We have to verify this law, whether it is true or false. That is, left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. So for verifying anything, first we have to take the left hand side of that equation. What is the left hand side here? X raised to m divided by x raised to n, that is the left hand side. X raised to m divided by x raised to n, that is the left hand side, and the right hand side is x raised to m minus n. So first we are going to solve left hand side, that is x raised to m divided by x raised to n. X is equal to, what is value? Minus 3 by 4 raised to m is equal to 5 divided by x raised to n. X is equal to minus 3 by 4 raised to n is equal to 3. That is equal to minus 3 by 4 raised to 5 divided by, this divided by sign we can write like this also, minus 3 by 4 raised to 3. That is equal to minus 3 by 4 raised to 5. minus 3 by 4 is multiplying, minus 3 by 4 is multiplying 5 times, minus 3 by 4 into, minus 3 by 4 into, minus 3 by 4 into, minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 3 by 4 raised to 3. Minus 3 by 4 is multiplying 3 times, minus 3 by 4 into, minus 3 by 4 into, minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4 we can cancel, minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4 cancel, minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4 cancel. What is remaining there? Minus 3 by 4 raised to, minus 3 by 4 is there 2 times, so that is minus 3 by 4 raised to 2. That is the left hand side. Now we will take the right hand side. What is the right hand side? Right hand side it is here, right hand side of our law, that is x raised to m minus n. X raised to m minus n is equal to, what is the value of x? Minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4 raised to m minus n, that is 5 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 by 4 raised to 5 minus 3. What is the answer? 2. What do we got answer here? Left hand side is equal to, we got minus 3 by 4 raised to 2. Right hand side also it is same, minus 3 by 4 raised to 2. Therefore we can write left hand side is equal to, right hand side. We can write it verify. Okay, now dear children, last one more question is there in exercise 2.2, question number 15, that you do it as a homework. These questions you have to write down, and last question you do it as homework. Thank you so much.